guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I am going to be doing a haul. What I got from the Victoria's Secret and Pink semi-annual sale this year. I did my shopping at the semi-annual sale super early. I went on the day that it started, so I was able to get a first look at all of the things. I had a great variety of things to choose from, so I wasn't stuck with the scraps that people have already fought over. I got some great finds. I'm super pleased with everything that I got, and so let's just get right on into this video. The semi-annual sale started last week, I believe, and on the first day that it started, I woke up super early in the morning. I got online, ordered a bunch of things, and then later on that day I went to the mall to go in store and see what else I could find. And of course I have to wear my little pink sweatshirt in this video, repping pink, while I'm showing you guys my pink sweatshirt. I did not get at the semi-annual sale. I got this like maybe 2 months ago. It's one of their little quarter zips. It just says pink in big lettering. Let me show y'all what I actually got from the sale. I have all of my things in the bag down here, so I'm just going to be grabbing out and showing you guys. First thing that I got is from Victoria's Secret, and it is a sports bra. It's this green sports bra, like that little army green, but not army green type of color. It's very soft, it's lightweight, stretchy, and then this is what the back looks like. It also has this little stripe at the bottom, or elastic at the bottom, that when you put it on, it's supposed to hang down in the front, so it's supposed to look something like that. I don't know, I got this in the size extra small. I just grabbed it because of the color. It would look like it was the only one left, and I was like, oh, I want it, snatch. I don't know if I exactly like the fit of this on me. Got it in the size extra small. I know I probably could have gotten a small because this just sucks everything in, and it literally makes me look so flat-chested that it's not even funny. So I don't entirely know if I'm going to keep this or not. I may or may not put it on my Depop to sell. This is a mini story time because this really made me so mad. So I did not get my receipt. She rung my items up, I paid and all of that stuff, but she never gave me my receipt, and I was so frustrated because I didn't realize this until I got home, because I got a shirt from my mom also, but she already had the same shirt. So I was going to go back and exchange it the next day, and that's when I realized I don't have my receipt. I know that if I return this without the receipt, I'm going to get the lowest selling point that it's currently selling at, and that's probably going to be less than the $9.99 that it's selling at right now, and that's going to suck. Like, if it's worth $5, like, what am I going to do with $5? Nothing. The shirt that I got is from Pink. Now, this was not part of the semi-annual sale. I saw this while going to the line to check out. It's this thermal maroon colored shirt that says Pink on the front of it in white lettering, and it is a cropped long sleeve, and I love shirts like this. I have this same exact shirt from Forever 21, long sleeve, cropped, same color and all. This in a size extra small, and the extra small does still look slightly big, but when I tried it on, I actually like the fit of it. It's perfect to wear on lounge days, and it's perfect to wear with these leggings that I'm going to show you guys next, because yes, this shirt was $35.95. As I said, it was not part of the semi-annual sale, but I picked it up anyway. There's some leggings, and these are their flat line or flat something leggings that they have there, and they're the same color as the shirt, these maroon colors with the waistband. Yoga leggings. I got these in a size extra small also. They're just plain, but then at the ankles they say Pink all around a lettering, or white lettering, and then they have this little caged detailing. First of all, I used to think the caged detailing on the leggings at Pink was so ugly a couple months ago. I was like, I will not buy them. No, no, no. This meshes so well with this. Next thing I got is from Victoria's Secret. It is a sports bra, white sports bra that says Victoria's Sport on the front of it with a black elastic band, and then the back is one of those racer backs with these thin straps going down. I got this one in a size small, and I think I did try this on in store. I don't actually own a white sports bra, which I thought was kind of funny to me, so I was like, well, why not pick up a white sports bra during the sale? The thing I got is from Pink, and it is their flat legging, flat legging, yoga legging, leggings that have pink on the waistband. The waistband is white, and then the pink lettering is in gold sequins all around. It's super cute. I remember seeing these a couple months ago, but I never bought them because I was like, oh no, I'll just wait. They're not that cute for me to buy. These were on sale for not 22. I got them on sale for $32.99. They're originally $46.95. Thing I got are some sleepwear shorts from Pink. They're these pink shorts that just say pink all over them in white lettering. They have a little drawstring that says pink on them also. The funny story behind these, I got these because my mom has these. Went back to get them. There were none left, and the only ones left were in sizes large. So I was like, oh, I'm never gonna get them. I found them hidden during the semi-annual sale where they had all of the bottoms hung. I found these in the size extra small, so I just grabbed those instantly because they were the only ones. But then when I moved over to the small section, I found them in the size small, so I just picked them up in the size small instead of the extra small. Super thin, lightweight, perfect to sleep in, and I've been sleeping in these non-stop. I think I got these for $14.99, I believe. I don't exactly remember, but it was either $14 or $15.99. Next thing I got is this bralette from Pink. Did not get this during the semi-annual sale either, but I did see it there during the sale for $30.95. I think there was like a little deal going on where they had $25 bralettes during that time. It's just this black bralette, simple, cute, with roses on the front of it, and it's super lightweight. It's very stretchy and nice. I got this in a size small also. Cannot wait till the summertime so I can wear this with a cute outfit. Coachella 2018, look out for me because Beyonce's gonna be there, so honey, you know I got to go. Next thing I got from Pink are some socks. I don't have the packaging for these because I literally just wore these like the other day. These are clean. I washed them, duh. Came with a 2-pack of socks. They're both knee-high. This pair is white with that maroon lettering on it, and they just say Pink all around. And then the other pair is gray with white lettering that says Pink. In fact, they were $12.99, I believe. Next thing is this bralette from Victoria's Secret. Guys, let's take a moment. This bralette is so freaking cute. It's showing up as more red on camera, but in person it's like a dusty orange, just like a deep orange color. I got it in a size extra small, so I'm gonna have to try this on and see if it will fit. It was only $9.99. Hopefully, fingers crossed, that it does fit because this is so freaking cute, and it's satin. It does have the little racer back with a hint of lace detailing going down the back of it. I'm wanting some pants like these for so long from Pink, but I could never bring myself to buy them. So during the sale, honey, you know I got them. They're just their regular boyfriend pant, sweatpants. I tried these on in the dressing room and I fell in love. They're super comfortable, so stretchy. They're such nice material. I got the maroon color again with black and white writing on them. I'm super excited to wear these. I cannot wait. I got these in a size extra small also. These were originally $44.95. I got them on sale for $22.99. So guys, that is a steal. From Victoria's Secret, I got another pair of leggings to work out, lounge around in. These are from their Victoria's Sport line. Again, there's just plain black leggings, and then down the pants leg of it, it says Victoria's Sport in white lettering. What? Whoa! It says they have a hidden drawstring waist, so you can tighten them if you need to. What? I did not know that that's the drawstring waist, but in size extra small, and these were on sale for $29.99. The thing I got from Victoria's Secret also was this just plain tee. It's a pink top. It's a little V-neck style. Guys, it's very, very, very soft. Like, it is one size. Next top I got was another sleep top from Pink. I got the Donuts long sleeve Henley, size extra small. It was $16.99, originally $32.95. See, that's the perks of going early to the sale because you get the first pick at everything. And when I went, it was probably 1 or 2 o'clock. So yeah, but everything was still basically there. Their store, the front of the store was still full. It was slightly packed, but I was still able to find what I needed. Literally, guys, I walked in there and I was like, oh No, I have to find what I need, get in, try it on if I need to, and get out, because I just cannot shop with so many people like that. Got my things, tried them on, got in the line, and got out. Now granted, pink was not as bad as Victoria's Secret, and it was not as bad as I thought it would be, and I guess that's because I went earlier in the day. Next thing I got was this hat from Pink. I was standing in line and I looked down and I saw that they put these out, so I immediately grabbed one. Stopped selling them in the store, so when I saw that they put them out for the sale, I got one. I got this on sale for $14.99. You guys can tell, favorite color. Yeah. The next thing that I got was this maroon hoodie. Duh, favorite color. What else color did you think it was gonna be? Well, yeah, I got this maroon hoodie. This is, I think, one of their classic style hoodies. Size extra small again. It's just plain, has the little dog logo in white. And then on the back, it says pink and maroon. And this material, honestly, the best way I can describe this is carpet material. That's what it feels like. It feels like a carpet. And lightweight, but not really lightweight, because it'll definitely keep you warm with the material, of course, that their hoodies are made out of. I did not get this at the semi-annual sale either. I got this like the week before. But I got this for $49.95. I'm out of breath, honey. So the next thing that I got were these hot shorts. That's what they're called. They're basically spandex shorts. I got them in this little black and white detailing. It reminds me of black marble detailing, so that's why I got them. I'm pretty sure I ordered these same exact ones online that I ordered in the morning. Park your car and turn it off. Went in the store and bought them because I had assumed that I didn't order them. I thought I took them out of my cart. And the ones come that I ordered, I'm just gonna return those to the store and keep these since I already got them and I can already wear them. I got them in an extra small, and these were also $9.99. The last few things that I got were some bras and underwear. I only got 2 bras, one from Pink, one from Victoria's Secret. Once again, I don't own any white bras, so I got a white bra. I got another bra, and then I got a ton of undies. Woo! So that is all that I got from the Victoria's Secret and Pink semi-annual sale this year. I hope you guys really liked and enjoyed seeing what I got. Comment down below if you guys did some shopping during the sale, and if so, what did you get? Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!